Good morning, Corvallis. My name is Vince Adams, and I'm a candidate for the school board. So the Gazette-Times published an article talking about campaign finance, and I'd like to talk about that a little bit. So I'm really proud of the folks that have contributed to my campaign. Um, I'll start with our Corvallis teachers. I get the privilege of sitting in negotiations with our teachers, and so they know that I support educators and our classified staff. I'm also supported by Planned Parenthood. It's because I support inclusive sex education and gay and trans rights. The electricians have supported my campaign, and that's because I feel strongly about creating pathways to good family wage jobs in the trades that Oregon needs so much right now. But the majority of all my contributions have come from individuals just like you. Um, the minimum I've received is $10, and my average contribution has been $71. You know, People have been talking about, the virtue of self-funding a campaign, and I don't think that that's quite right because, the reality is that not everybody has the privilege or the ability to self-fund. And we all know this saying that if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. And so having people contribute to your campaign, people that want to partner and support the work that you're doing, is a great way to do that. And it's the way we work together. The other piece about campaign finance is it's about transparency. It's part of the job application to be on the school board. We need to report how we're funding our campaigns because we need to be able to be transparent with you, the public, when we're on the school board. This school board election matters, and the election day is on Tuesday, May 18th. I urge you to turn out and vote for Sami Al-Abdrabbuh, Luhui Whitebear, Shauna Tominey, and myself. Thanks a lot.